In the heart of Abruzzo, a hidden lake waits to be discovered. Lago di Scanno, where time slows down and nature paints the most beautiful pictures. Lombardy's best-kept secret, Cascate del Serio. Feel the power of nature as water tumbles from the sky, hidden deep within the forest. Sardinia's Cala Luna is a summer paradise, but in winter, it becomes a quiet sanctuary, a place where you can hear the ocean breathe. At dusk, Castelmezzano comes alive with color. This Basilicata village is a step back in time, where every stone has a story to tell. Campania's Valle dei Mulini, where ancient mills still grind grain, powered by the river's endless flow. A place frozen in time. Montalto Peak, Calabria's hidden treasure. Climb to the top and witness a sunset that will take your breath away. Italy's wild side awaits.